Some of you has asked, at least my subscribers, how to get my video looking from this to this. And it's very simple, very straightforward. And this technique only takes 3 lights. It's basically your key light, background light, and a practical. And that's pretty much it. So without further ado, let's start this video. So that what 1,000 subscribers feels like? It feels really damn good. What's up, guys? I'm Rick Benio and I'm back with another video. And before I start this video, I just want to say thank you to each and one of my 1,061 subscribers. Honestly, you guys are so amazing. Super pumped, stoked. Never thought this was gonna be possible, but obviously you guys believe in me enough to make it possible. And I just want to say thank you for hanging on with me in this channel, enjoying the ride, and you know, we all learning from each other, and that's what this channel is all about. Today's video is about lighting for, you know, your talk heads. And the inspiration behind this video, I got it from, you know, this new setup that I did in my own studio. I normally do my talk heads on that side of the studio, and you know, I like to change my scenarios from time to time. And I'm not eliminating the other scenario, you know, by any means. That's my main one, but you know, change is good. So I just wanted to show you how I did this one, and it's very simple. Today's video is going to be you know, we're going to be using 3 lights, and my main key light is going to be the Amaran 100X, the Amaran 60D, and the Aperture B7C. So we have a practical, main key light, and a background light, and that's pretty much it. All right, guys, so as you can see, this is just all my ceiling lights on. Very nasty looking lights. They're not, you know, meant for a video, but just wanted to show you the before, and then we're gonna show you the after. So right now I'm gonna cut all the ceiling lights off, and I'm gonna turn on the first light, which will be my key light. That's the Amaran 100X. I actually have it 2 feet away from my shoulder distance, and it's at 45-degree angle exactly. So let's turn off all the ceiling lights and turn on the Amaran 100X. And that's my key light. That is the Amaran 100X. This is how it looks right now. Looks pretty good as I'm seeing in the monitor, but you know, let's actually make it a lot more better than this. And obviously, you know, it's just adding another light. So now for my secondary light, I will add the one for the background, so you guys can check it out. All right, guys, like I said before in the video, I have super low ceilings, as you can see. And so the secondary light, we're gonna use the one that I mentioned before. This is the Amaran 60D, and like I said, I'm using a Light Dome Mini 2 diffuser, and you can see that I'm not using no diffusion in it, just the, you know, CTL gel that this thing has, which is a gel holder. So basically it's just, you know, piece of plastic. And honestly, I didn't want to double it up. A lot of people like to double this up, you know, to get that blue effect, but I wanted to make it more on a realistic type term. So I actually just left it 1 layer of it, but you can do whatever you want. At the end of the day, it's your video. I'm not the one to tell you how to do it, but if that's what you're looking, you know, you're going for, then by all means. So a lot of people like to double these up. I like to just put 1, and that's it. I think it's, you know, 1 is more than enough. All right, guys, so that's the light, exactly where I wanted it positioned, and as you can see, it's just facing the wall, and that's it. All right, so before I turn on the 60D, this is how it looks right now. You guys can get some muscle memory right now. All right, so let's go ahead and turn on the 60D right now. And that's looking pretty cool. I dig how it looks. What do you guys think? All right, so here is the modifiers that my brother actually made for me. And as you can see, it's plastic. He just, you know, routed it out with a router, and he actually drew them first and then he routed it out. He said it was a little time consuming, but you know, it wasn't that bad. So the other side is actually the shade, you know, but you know, I don't like to put them too close to each other, so I, you know, put them apart. So let me show you how it looks. right, so let's start hanging these up. All right, guys, so we have the modifiers on currently, and that's how it look. It's looking pretty cool, so you guys can see the shade lines and, you know, some circle, you know, mimicking like there was, you know, tree outside. But I dig the look. I think the look looks pretty cool, and I hope you guys like, you know, so far how this is coming out. And we have one more light, and actually it's a very simple light. All we have to do is this. That's it. This is the look. This is the final look. It was 1, 2, 3. Very simple. No lies. Everything is real, as you guys can see. Very inexpensive lights. You know, a little DIY, as you guys saw, and you know the possibilities are endless. You guys could achieve this look way better than me. And if you got better lights than what I have here, you know, kudos, because you're gonna get a lot better results than me. Also, if you have higher ceilings, as you guys saw, you know, my ceilings are very tiny, but this is the final look. I hope you guys found this video informative, and I hope, you know, I was able to entertain you guys. Know it's been a little quite some time I've been holding you guys up, but you know, so without further ado, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, and you guys be safe. Take care.